Hey guys, first of all, it is really hot today and I got a big project ahead of me. Yep, we got the Beamer back in town. In preparations for the next race that's coming up on August 20th, I'm going to be racing my buddy with the 383 Firebird. And those bushings have had it. They're stock bushings and I'm pushing a little bit too much torque and power through them. So this kit here, my rev shift, should do every bushing in the rear of the car. So it even came with its own little air freshener. I wonder if it smells like bushings. So I'm not going to show me tearing the car apart. To be honest, it's pretty boring. It's just going to be me removing bolts, freaking out, and breaking a lot of stuff. So. Get him in there. Install. Do a real one. Come on. That's how it should have been. Bam.
Getting ready for the big race, bro!
What are we doing?
Indexing the spark plugs. Helps it in the Okanagan heat, the 43s over the 44s. She's an unassuming small block there. This is going to be a good race.
It's going to be fun. It's water pump time! Get the old belt off there, get the old chromy water pump off with all the chrome accessories, and we're going to drop that alternator down there, right beside those beautiful AFR heads. Pumps off. Layer down over by the AFR head there. Woo! Electrified.
Some sort of tool for that?
There's no tool? Farmer.
If it was smaller, I'd just put a rag around it. I mean, it wouldn't be the end of the world. Better than punch.
I'm a plumber, welder, electrician, mortician, gynecologist, musician, anal biologist, obstetrician. I think I did that last one off. We got this. Race day 1 week.
At this time next week, my car will be back on the trailer exploded. We're gonna use a relay and everything for this.
No.
Wire it straight to the switch. Melt the switch.
This is a setup shot, you guys. He already put it in 3 times. Oh. Yeah, he's on the limiter quick. He's gonna have to get his shifting sorted out there, Michael. If you're listening to this, sure you'll get her sorted out.
Wednesday morning. Got the Beamer loaded up, ready to go. It's a nice day out, but we're gonna see what it's like when we get over to the coast. Got all the buddies here. He's skipping out because he doesn't like us, even though he's wearing our shirt. Guys excited for racing?
Yeah, where's that cooler? Yeah, no, we're not excited.
I'm not.
We're choked.
I'm not. Yeah, it's gonna suck.
He's almost it though.
It's Tall Paul, everybody.
What up?
Whoa, whoa. Watch it.
Okay.
That's gonna be Heath's bed later.
Yeah. Oh
I'm
yeah.
gonna sneak in there.
Here, just let me go in my truck like that.
Oh, geez, is all that coming?
Oh what?
You pack heavy. I just started hucking it in my truck here. I'll stop filming. We got some ice, boys. What? No way.
Woo! Get that triple O's in you. Let's go.
Let's go.
Justin's room, we got a guest star named Mike.
We here. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Hopefully everything holds up. Time to pay the lady.
Mike's first time paying at the booth for a real race car at a real racetrack. Good job, Mike. He doesn't even know I'm filming him, but good job, buddy.
Alright guys, we're gonna cut you off right there. Very sorry, but not sorry, because there's a lot of action coming up in the next video. We fit as much into this one as we could. We had to make it a part 2 thing, but it's gonna be worth it. Next video is gonna be killer. There's a lot of action, a lot of good stuff. A couple of bad things happen, but a lot of good stuff happened as well. Make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe to Adrenalin OK. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching.